The middle of the road looks fine now. Oh, it took my breath away for a second. The storm may be going out to sea now. It's coming from the bay from the west winds. It takes your breath away. This is so cool to see flooding with the snowstorm. I don't remember if I've ever seen this before, except for on the news. The storm drain is right over there with the flashlight. Slush right here. It's all underwater. Goes that far out. Was sleeping early. I didn't get good sleep, and between 9 to 1:30 I didn't hear any winds. Look at this, whiteout conditions. You hear it's like a wind tunnel. It's not as extreme. Some people are getting 20 inches of snow, but thank goodness the power's on in the heat. Look at the door right here. This is how meteorologists, they take their videos and make it look more dramatic. They showed the meteorologist behind the snowy scene. Here the napkins are flying. The napkins were flying. Okay, it's now almost 6 o'clock, 5:45, and the snow's piling up now. Our main event, it didn't really occur till after 1:30 in the morning when I woke up. Water receded right over here from over there, and it's now over here. The water that's receding, returning to ice. Because you can see the water right over there. It looks like a tidal pool. It doesn't look like a big lagoon anymore. Oh, look, it's eating away on their yard. It's taking a look right over here. Okay, 8:30 now. We're getting another snow squall ban. Floodwaters are going underneath the snow, so that's a dangerous situation for snowplow drivers. They might think the road is clear, and then they get their vehicles stuck in the flooding. It's all sloppy and slushy. The water's receding, actually. We're getting towards low tide. Low visibility, quarter mile or less. Holy cow, that's a blizzard right there. Oh boy, I better get out of the road. He's not going to be able to see me. If that's somebody in the road, they won't be able to see me. So there we go, there's another gust. This reminds me of that nor'easter blizzard that we had 4 years ago. You barely see the traffic lights. In person, you can't even see it. The camera's picking up the traffic lights better than a person. 40 minutes from high tide, 30 to 40 minutes. So the water is going to go run along the water right here. I'm not sure if the snowplow is going to drive through this. Maybe he's on the back road. And this is the main road right here. Ooh, it's all murky. It's a lagoon over there. Can't even get through on the road now. Okay, we're now near low tide. I don't have my boots on, so I'm not gonna walk all the way, but you could see, look at it now. Look at all these the spots of snow cubes and like ice caps or ice glaciers, icebergs. Let me get a picture of that. Look at all these dots right here. This is a weird sight to see, a bizarre sight. There's still a little bit of water in there. It's freezing out now. It's going down to 20 degrees now.